Hey everyone, welcome back to NonnyPlus. This week has been so amazing as we started our journey to mastering C Sharp and also understanding the fundamental of software development. On day one, we talk about the vision behind NonnyPlus, helping you become a confident and a skilled developer from scratch. On day two, we welcome all beginners and walk through the end learning roadmap for C Sharp step by step. Then on day three, we explore why learning software development is such a powerful skill in today's world. We also broke down the roles, front end, back end, and also the full stack roles and where you might fit in. Then on day four, we answer the big question, what is C Sharp? We discuss why it is beginner friendly, versatile, and one of the most in demand languages today. And finally, on day five, we got practical. I showed you how to download and install Visual Studio, the IDE we'll be using to write C Sharp code. So if you have been following from day one to day five, congratulations, you are now fully set up and ready to write your first line of C Sharp code. In our next video, we'll write and run your first Hello World application. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with what you have enjoyed so far. Or if you have any questions, I'll be happy and glad to help you. See you in the next one.